Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you really quick, thank you to my friend Josh who sent me the link to this warmer. So I found, I think, what is a dupe for the Ashland warmer. So here is the Michaels Ashland warmer on this side, and here is the one I got off Amazon. So I'm gonna put a link to this one because it's kind of hard to find if you just search it. I actually had to go back to Josh's link that he sent me and do it that way because I kept searching for like white 24-watt warmer. I typed in like the title as he had sent it to me, like how it said in the link. I was like, oh, let me just go look on my Amazon myself, and I ended up having to follow the link. So I'll just put the link at the top. You can find this warmer. So let me show you why I think this is a dupe. So first of all, both of the dishes are really big on these. I've never used this top dish. The little things in here I think is from when it cracked. Like I got 2 Ashland warmers from Michaels before they discontinued them, and one of the lids came broken. So I think that's just like, I probably shouldn't touch that. But anyways, so both the lids are really big. I just think the lids are too big. I just like them for the warmer part. Okay, let me show you why I think these are dupes. So they are different here, right? But when you flip them over, so you can see on the non-Ashland warmer, let me kind of come in here. So it says model number CCW008, 120 volts, 80 hertz, 24 watts, right? Okay, so then you come over here, and I mean, they look, let's see if I can, they look identical on the bottom. So this one says the same thing. It's the exact same model number, CCW008, 120, let's see, is that the same? Yeah, 120 volts, 80 hertz, or, oh, this one's 60 hertz. Oh yeah, this one is too. Okay, they're both 60 hertz, sorry. 24 watt, and let's see, is there anything else that would, Intertech, oh yeah, so ETL Intertech, 3162944. This one says Intertech 3162944. Just checking to make sure the numbers are the same. Okay, and so I mean, they look pretty much the same to me. So yeah, so besides the color change and kind of the design is a little bit different, but they look very similar. So when you look at the box as well, they're packaged similar to how the Ashland was, except they have this on them, Doris. So the box, I feel like it looks different than the Ashland, and it came in this like silver packaging like the Ashlands did. So I think it's pretty much the same deal. They're called Ashland from Michaels and whatnot. So that's that. Okay, so I'll put a link to that if you're interested, if you have been wanting the Ashland warmer. So I just wanted to post about this because I was asking him Wax Chat the other week about the Ashland warmer, and most people said they were discontinued, but Josh hooked me up with a link and said, I think this is similar, and I just wanted to say that I'm pretty sure it is because, you know, the bottoms are matching. So I'll put the link at the very top of the down bar so you can just go straight to it, look at it. I think it's on sale right now for $13 as well. It originally was like 20 something. So yeah, grab them while you can. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.